Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2011 Nissan Pathfinder LE. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 4-liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that tow hitch, we got a backup camera, we do get a lift glass as well, which is pretty nice. We got roof rails with the crossbars as well. A nice gripped running board on each side. You got heated door mirrors, mud flaps on the front. Got a black hood deflector with a block heater and license plate bracket and an aftermarket LED light bar with that nice Nissan grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You do get your cargo space underneath as well. You can collapse each of your rows for additional storage with hooks and doodads. Got cup holders, plenty of leg room, and more storage on each side. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, got floor carpeted mats, carpeted interior, got your rear temperature control with cup holders. You do get cup holders here as well, or arm space. Duh. Plenty of door space in the back. You got some wood paneling, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, memory seating for up to 2 drivers. You got the wood paneling up front, mirrors, pedal adjusters, heated steering wheel, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 181,595 kilometers. Got that leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you got cruise control, Nissan logo, phone, volume, play back, play forward, all that jazz. Cup holders, got the wood paneling here. It does open for some storage. Gear select, 4-wheel drive, heated front seats. I'm going to turn that off. Some outlets, aux, and you got that leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage with the 12-volt hazards, volume, disc, aux, AM, FM. You got a Bose sound system, Bluetooth, dual climate up front, tune, push, all that jazz. You got storage above and below. Scan all your use, and you do get your infotainment system, which is pretty nice. You can scroll through it all through here as well. You can adjust the brightness, status, all that jazz, and clicking here, shifting into reverse, you do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE11279A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.